How professional cleaners remove dirt and dust from carpets effectively. Our professional Melbourne carpet cleaners from Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne efficiently remove all the dirt and dust from carpets with steam cleaning. For that, they use brushes to remove the dust from the carpet surface. Use a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean the dirt and dust from the fibres. Use proprietary solutions to remove the odor. Steam clean the carpet. Leave the carpet to dry. By following these steps, our Melbourne carpet steam cleaners make your carpet spotless. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne. So, to see the difference for yourself, hire our expert cleaners today. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.